I'm going to be explaining the difference between inherited traits and learned behavior. When we talk about inherited traits, we are talking about characteristics in our bodies that are passed on from our ancestors. In other words, the parents, when they have their children, sometimes they are called offsprings too. So these children or offsprings, they inherit different characteristics of their parents. And when the children have characteristics that their parents do not have, is because they have the traits that were passed on from the parents of their parents. For example, I'm going to be showing to you, this is a picture of my parents. So most probably I'm going to look like my father in a few more years. Actually, I'm older than him now. Anyway, my parents, my ancestors, and I am their child, their son, or offspring. And I carry characteristics from them, and those characteristics are called inherited traits. The same with me and my wife. We have our children, and they have characteristics or inherited traits similar to us. All right. Now, I'm going to be showing, this is a mammoth that used to be alive probably around 15,000 years ago during the Ice Age. So you look at these characteristics. These are the ancestors of the current elephants. But there is something, an inherited trait in them that I'm going to be asking you for this. Now, from this extinct ancestor, we have the Asian elephant, and we have the African elephant. I'm going to be showing you a trait that makes them special. Look at the ears of the extinct mammoth, smallest. Look at the ears of the Asian elephant, bigger. And look at the ears of the African elephant, the biggest. So these are traits. Showing to you a horse, a raccoon, and a bear. And they have inherited traits, and also they show learned behavior, things that they learn by watching, by observing constantly. So in a moment you're going to see a chart with inherited traits and learned behaviors for the horse, the bear, and the raccoon. An animal that flies is a raptor. Yes, it's an eagle. Now the eagle has a body part that is an inherited trait, that is catching its prey. The eagle has on their feet these claws. They are also called talons, and they are used for hunting their prey. So the claws are the inherited traits of the eagle, And the hunting is the behavior of how the eagle learn from their parents how to hunt and catch their prey. Predator and prey. Now, in a moment, you're going to see a little table because I have here this offspring. This is a baby Rhinoceros coleopterus. This is an insect. We have here a baby giraffe, and we have here a baby crocodile. So you are going to find out who are their parents by looking at the inherited traits of them, and you will be matching them with their right parents. I'm going to show you these animals and we're going to classify them. This is a cow. This is a tiger. This is a sheep. And this is a rhinoceros. I'm going to be asking you to classify them into two groups. One is wild animals, and the other is domesticated animals. All of them carry their inherited traits from their ancestors, but as far when you hear the word domesticated, it means that they went through the process of being tamed. When the aspect of the wild animal was removed, and now they can live among the humans, mostly in the farms, without any problem. I hope that you learn the difference between learned behavior, things that how we react based on our observation and our wishes. Learned behavior. An inherited trait is something that it's part of us and we didn't ask for it. Like the color of my hair, I didn't ask for that. But my career and many other things that I choose to do, that is learned behavior. Thank you.